Potato greens is almost ready. Yeah, it is so tasty, you guys. It is late. I'm cooking late, so that I don't have to cook tomorrow. So you guys haven't seen a lot of cooking videos from me lately because I have not been cooking. I have not had to cook anything. So my siblings came over and visited and spoiled me with a lot of Liberian, dishes. And I had it stuck in my, excuse me, in my fridge. So I did not have to cook. All I had to do was, turn on, put some rice in my rice cooker, and in 45 minutes or less it's ready and we eat. And maybe, take out the food obviously from the refrigerator, heat it up. But yes, so that is over now. So I'm back to reality. Yes, so your girl is in the kitchen. I just stir it, so I'm not gonna stir it again for you guys because I don't want my ingredients mashing up. But yeah, I'm excited to be back over the stove and cooking and just doing my thing. So stay tuned for some videos. Yeah, all right, talk to you later. Bye.